In today's video, I'll show you how to create and manage product catalogs on WhatsApp Business. A product catalog lets you display your items directly inside WhatsApp, making it easier for customers to browse and contact you. Before getting started, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app installed and set up on your phone. If you already sell products on Facebook or Instagram, you can connect your existing product catalog so everything stays organized in one place. First, open the WhatsApp Business app on your phone. Tap on Tools, then select Catalog. This is where all your products will be displayed. If you already have a catalog created on Meta Commerce Manager, you can connect it to WhatsApp. To do this, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and open Catalog Settings. Then tap Connect Catalog and follow the instructions on the screen. You may need to confirm your selection before the catalog is linked. Once connected, your products will automatically appear in WhatsApp. This allows customers to view the same items you have listed on Facebook or Instagram, giving them a smooth shopping experience across different platforms. Keep in mind that after connecting a Meta catalog, any catalog previously created inside WhatsApp will be archived and won't be visible to customers. However, you can restore it later by disconnecting the Meta catalog. If you need to update your product information, you won't do it directly inside WhatsApp when a Meta catalog is connected. Instead, open Commerce Manager and edit your products there. You can add new items, change prices, or remove products, and the updates will appear in WhatsApp automatically. If you ever want to disconnect the catalog, go back to Tools, open Catalog, tap the three-dot menu, then choose Catalog Settings and select Disconnect. Your original WhatsApp catalog will become visible again if you had one before. Using product catalogs in WhatsApp Business makes it much easier to show customers what you sell without sending photos one by one. And that's how you create product catalogs on WhatsApp Business. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.